What's up, you guys? I hope you're having a great day, a great weekend. Welcome back to Redline Rehab. My name is Tim. Today I've got a pretty sweet video I want to show you. So we introduced our Hellcat, which is just insane. We are loving it, and there's more to come on that. But today we're actually going to do something really sweet with this car behind me. It's an 05 Neon SRT4. Yeah, I know, it's just a Neon. It's a Neon till it beats your V8, then it's an SRT4, right? No, that's the ongoing joke. I know there's a certain stereotype around people that maybe have these cars that drive them. I hope I don't fit into that because I've had one of these. This is actually my second one, and my first one I owned for probably about 6 years. This one I've had for just over a year. I just love them. I can't get away from them. They're super fun, but this SRT4 behind me here, I'm hopeful that it's making around 400 horsepower to the wheel. It might be making a bit more than that. My SRT before this one, it actually had a very similar setup and it made 415 to the wheel on pump gas. That's on 91 here in Utah. So I'm hopeful with this similar setup, I'm gonna be around those same numbers. Now, anyone that knows these Neon SRT4s, you know that they are front wheel drive. You're not gonna be racing them from a dig unless you're gonna be replacing axles on them. But they are front wheel drive, and you can just imagine the traction problem, okay? So big traction problem out of them. First and second gear, you're just spinning them. So I'm hopeful that I can actually fix that. And we're gonna test that today in this video. So right now I've just got some good, decent tires on there. I mean, they're nothing special, but I wanna get traction. I wanna see what it's like to actually lock up, hopefully in second gear. So we're gonna go out and test that today. But I went ahead, I did a thing. I got these new Toyo Proxy R888R tires. And from what people are telling me, I should lock up, hopefully in second. I doubt I will in first, but that's what we're gonna go test. So we're gonna go hit Redline. We're gonna test these tires, both the ones that are on there right now. I'm gonna show you my traction problem. And then we're gonna get these Toyo Proxes installed. And let's see, do I actually hook up? Let's go find out. Now, of course, we've gotta do cold starts. Let's compare the Neon SRT4 to the Hellcat. Tell me in the comments which one you think sounds better. I know, silly question, but let's check it out. Here, which is really close to my home, and they wanted over $100 to mount 2 tires on my car. And so I called Big O Tires, and they told me they'd do it for $19.99 a tire. I'm like, deal. So we'll head on over, get that done. Here we're gonna do a little second into third. I'm going to show you guys this traction problem that it has here. Let's do this. So hopefully you could hear that. They're just spinning. As you can hear, I mean, that second gear, first is just worse than that. You can't floor it in this thing in first gear. Second's just spinning. Super fun though. Let's see though. Let's see if these Proxy tires will actually help me hook up in second gear. Alright, getting the lug nuts off there. Alright, they just balance the tires, getting them on. Okay, let's see how it does. Spinning them. Moves. Wow. Let's do this again, see how it does. I am impressed. I really am. That would have just been spinning and spinning and spinning. It actually felt like it was hooking up there. Wow. If you don't have Proxys, you need to get some. So to quickly tell you more about this car, 2005 Dodge Neon SRT4. It's the ACR model, American Club Racing. Comes with the 2.4 liter turbocharged intercooled engine. I mean, it's just a great fun setup. And what a lot of people do is they buy these cars, they're very cheap, and then they'll throw a big turbo on them. Then they'll throw a big fuel system on them. You gotta have a clutch that's gonna support the power. The dude is picking his nose. So on this car, I've got an AGP 50 trim turbo, MPX intercooler, ACT 6-puck clutch. I have a return line, the bottleneck fix, Walbro fuel pump, 1000cc injectors. It's got the water methanol injection as well, which is awesome. I love water methanol injection. It's been tuned by HP tuners, by one of the best tuners in Utah, might I add. So this car is it's just a blast. It is so much fun. And like I keep saying, the Proxy tires are incredible. They're great. I'm sold. So for the Hellcat, we got to get some Proxys for the Hellcat, because that thing just spins. Spins. All right, guys, so that's the video for today. We're gonna have another Hellcat video coming up here real soon. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and help support us like that. And we'll see you next time. Yeah.